Hello guys, welcome to my channel all about products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. Gather around the portable tabletop fire pit and bring warmth wherever you go, indoors or outdoors. Designed to be smokeless and safe, it creates the perfect ambiance for relaxation or making s'mores with loved ones. With a long burn time of over 60 minutes, you can enjoy extended cozy moments without hassle. No smoke, no mess, just pure comfort and a beautiful flickering flame. The 110-foot retractable garden hose reel is designed to revolutionize your watering experience with its fashion-forward design and wide selection of styles. Featuring an automatic retractable system, it ensures a tangle-free hose every time, keeping your space neat and organized. The thumb control sprayer and 10-pattern nozzle provide reliable water flow for various watering needs. Its UV-resistant storage shell protects the hose from wear and tear, extending its durability. With a portable alley cart, moving it around your garden is effortless. Say goodbye to messy hoses and enjoy a seamless watering routine. The powerful air circulator fan delivers superior cooling with 3-speed settings and a 90-degree pivoting head for whole-room air circulation. Feel the refreshing airflow up to 25 feet away, perfect for homes, offices, and gyms. Its removable grill ensures easy cleaning and long-lasting performance. Stay cool and comfortable with this high-performance fan. The P21 Bluetooth label maker machine is a wireless mini printer designed for effortless organization at home or in the office. With multiple templates, it allows you to create custom labels quickly and easily. Its compact, sleek design ensures portability, while Bluetooth connectivity offers seamless printing. Stay organized with this efficient and user-friendly label maker. Upgrade your shower experience with the 23-inch full-body thermostatic shower system, featuring luxury LED lighting and music for a spa-like feel. This smart ceiling-mounted system offers a multi-function rainfall and waterfall shower, along with powerful body jets for ultimate relaxation. Designed for effortless temperature control, it ensures a consistent and soothing water flow. Elevate your bathroom with this high-end immersive shower set. Upgrade your window shades with the Smart Shade Plus battery pack, turning them into motorized smart shades for effortless control. Enjoy wireless convenience with the battery-powered design, eliminating the need for wiring. Easily adjust your shades via remote or smart home integration for ultimate comfort and efficiency. This stylish bedside table offers 2 spacious drawers for countless storage options, keeping your space neat and organized. Equipped with 2 outlets, 1 USB and 1 Type-C port, it provides instant power for all your devices. Available in multiple colors, it's the perfect blend of functionality and coziness for your bedside. This ergonomic pillow is designed for optimal neck and back support, ensuring a comfortable and restful sleep. Made with cooling fabric, it helps regulate temperature for a refreshing feel all night. With 2 height options, it adapts to your sleeping style for personalized comfort. The intelligent luminous mirror offers smart lighting and modern elegance for any space. The semi-transparent frosted glass adds a touch of elegance and privacy with its soft, diffused finish. Casting an exquisite glow, it embodies true elegance. Dimmable brightness for perfect lighting, 3 color temperatures for customized lighting, fast heating defogging for a clear reflection. The Beka floating shelves combine rustic charm and functionality, perfect for any room. With a 22-pound weight capacity, these wall-mounted wood shelves provide stylish storage for books, decor, and essentials. Ideal for the bathroom, bedroom, living room, or kitchen, they add both organization and elegance to your space. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.